Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Brevo easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Brevo website. Look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a form where you need to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you have access to. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by typing it again in the designated field. After filling in your email and password, look for the checkboxes for consent to terms and conditions. Make sure to read the terms, then check the necessary boxes. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Brevo website. Log in using the email and password you just created. Explore the dashboard and follow any on-screen instructions to complete your profile. Consider setting up additional authentication for extra security. After your account is properly set up, you can start exploring Brevo's features. Take a moment to check out the available plans and select the one that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen a plan, follow the prompts to complete the subscription process. Finally, confirm your payment details and follow through until you receive a confirmation of your subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.